Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Unbound. We are very excited to kick off a new series where we will be discussing AQA GCSE June 2023 Higher Tier Paper 1 solution. Yes, in this series you can expect the solution for all the questions in this particular past paper. I will be explaining each question in a step-by-step guidance, and also I will give you tips to help you understand. It's perfect if you are stuck with some concept or you just want to review the past papers, which will give you an idea about the actual board exam. And also, if you just want to review it, yes, you can follow this playlist. So, right, let's get started with the very first question. Here we can see it's a subdivision question, and we can see first ever subdivision, work out 0.7 times 0.5. Which is a decimal multiplication. Very simple, only two steps. First step, ignore the decimal. It will become a normal multiplication. So let me ignore the decimal. I will get 0.7 times 0.5. 0 in front doesn't make any difference, so let me ignore it. So it's just 7 times 5, which is 35. First step is done successfully. Next, you have to go with introduce the decimal back. Now the decimal will be waiting at the end. 35 is what we got. It will be at the extreme end of the number. I should get it back into the number. So here we have two questions. I have to move it for sure. In which direction? How many places is the question. So for how many places? The products involve two numbers. Count the decimal places. Here the decimal place is 1. After decimal, how many places are filled? 1. 0.7, just 1. Here also 1. So just add these places too. So decimal should move 2 places, and always it is left when it is a multiplication. So I'm moving it 2 places in left direction. It stops here, 0.35. To make it the best answer, give a 0 here because no whole you can represent in this way. So 0.7 times 0.5 is 0.35. That's simple. We completed the first one. Next part. Work out 5 by 6 divided by 3. So let's start. So it's a decimal division. It's a fraction division. We can't apply the division directly when fraction is involved. So copy the number. This is the process. So copy the first number as it is. Then divide will change to multiply because we can't do it. Direct division is not applicable when fraction involved. And 3 will change to its reciprocal. Reciprocal of whole number 3 is 1 by 3. Now this becomes a fraction multiplication. Fraction multiplication is the easiest thing. So directly multiply numerators. Directly you can multiply the denominators. It's 5 by 80. And after this, you try to check if it can be simplified to the lowest form or can it be expressed in mixed form. So it's just a proper fraction. And also simplification is not needed. We can't do it anymore. So this is the final answer. Simple again. Now the last question of the series. Work out 27 divided by 0.6. In decimal division also, instead doing the division directly, I'm going to convert this decimal to fraction and perform. Let's see how. First number, not at all a problem. Just you copy as it is 27. Divide I can't do directly. So let me put divide. 0.6, you can write it as 6 by 10. That is the decimal to fraction basic. Then 27. Division we can't do when fraction involved. So change to multiply. And 6 by 10 will get reciprocated 10 over 6. So now this whole number will get multiplied with numerator. So 27 times 10 by 6 can be written as 3 times 2. You can just do the cancellation instead division. 1 times 3 is 3. 9 times 3 is 27. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And we got a 9 times 5 here, which is 45. So 27 divided by 0.6 is 45. And with this, we complete the solution of the first problem. I hope this video might be helpful to you. Let's meet in the another video with another interesting question. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.